Hello friends, welcome to Cece's Kitchen 27. Today I will show you how to use air-dried chicken leg to make the delicious wrap. I will use the air-dried chicken leg. If someone remember, I have the video how to make the air-dried chicken leg. I will use the air-dried chicken leg. Also, I use some vegetable, the pepper, bell pepper, the green one or red one, half. Also, I use some cheddar cheese. Use two wraps. I bought this from grocery store. Okay, let's get started. So first, we have to boil the water, bring to boil. Then we put the chicken leg on the steam rack. Steam for 20 minutes. I adjusted the heat to medium. Steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken leg is done. We turn off the heat. We move from the heat. I use it to fork. Look at here. This part is chicken butt, close to the butt part. Normally, I'm not eating this part. If you don't want, you can just remove. Garbage. So here is the chicken skin. If you don't like, if you feel it's greasy, you can remove the skin. But someone like the skin, you can put in a wrap. Here is the bone. You can put in garbage. For this chicken meat, you can put in a wrap. Now it's get start to wrap the chicken. Now it's time to make the chicken wrap. The chicken meat is ready. I will use some vegetable, the bell pepper, red one and green one. I will use the mayo and mustard for the spread on the wrap. Also use some cheddar cheese. Okay, let's get started. First, put some mayo. I'll use the yellow mustard. It's ready. Put any meat. So one is done. We can make another one. Beautiful color. So this one is very delicious. Has the chicken flavor. It's like the kind of like the ham flavor because we make this. It's lasting around 2 weeks, right? So this one you can bring for lunch. Also, if kids in school, you can wrap in the plastic wrap and bring in lunchbox. It's very convenient, very easy, and fast. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this recipe.